Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Aliexpress to TikTok shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok shop account. Where can you find TikTok shop? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar type tiktokshop.com. That's going to take you into the official website. In the website, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your TikTok shop account. After your shop has been approved and created, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TikTok shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to add Aliexpress to TikTok shop. From your homepage, I would like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have a couple features which include orders, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, grid center, analytics, account health, and finance. Now I'd like you to click on growth center and you see this extended menu that says missions and rewards, app store, TikTok shop partner. Go ahead and click on app store and that's going to take you to the app store window. From here we're going to see how we can connect Aliexpress to TikTok shop in just a couple seconds. So head over to the search app or partner search bar. In here, you're going to have to type in AliExpress. Punch the enter button and you're going to find this. ECPP and DSARS. It means these are the applications that are connected to AliExpress and can be linked to your TikTok shop. Yes. So these are the applications that are connected to AliExpress and you can link them to your TikTok shop. So how do you do that? Go ahead and select any of them and click on install now. And once you click on install now, you can now follow through with this prompt. Add your target shop. I do not have, my shop has not been approved on TikTok yet. So add your target shop, the duration, how long do you want this to be connected, contact email, contact phone number, which is optional, and check this box to confirm that you agree to this on-screen information in here and click on confirm to install. And after doing that, this is going to be linked to TikTok shop and you will now be able to use this on TikTok shop. Another way you can add AliExpress to TikTok shop, somehow like linking it, you can just head over to your TikTok account itself. That's if you don't want to use any of this third-party sites. So head over to TikTok itself. So once you have, head over to TikTok and in TikTok, go ahead and launch your, that's your TikTok business account. It has to be a business account. So go ahead and click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, click on edit profile. And after clicking on edit profile, you're going to see an option for you to add website. So click on website and select the, copy the link to your AliExpress and paste it on the website right there on your bio. And once you paste it on your website, that's going to be it. Then from there, you'll be able to link AliExpress to TikTok. So it means beforehand, you must have linked your TikTok shop to your TikTok account. How to do that? Just go ahead and click on this top right corner and select my account and select linked TikTok account and put it with the prompt to link your TikTok account to your TikTok shop. So, and then head over to your TikTok app itself on your mobile phone, click on your profile, click on edit profile, go to website and paste your AliExpress link to that. That way it's just going to be linked. So these are the steps that you can take. You can go through this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.